For a while, I had one of those Harbor Freight seats, ones with a little circle and have a little tray on the bottom. Had that thing for about 2 years, and I guess my weight in the use and abuse kind of broke it and just kind of snapped off on the top. So got one of these as a gift and greatly thankful for it. These Craftman storage seat with 2 drawers. Took it apart, took it out the box already. So let's put it together and let's see how good this thing is. First off, instructions. I already went ahead and kind of put this in. I guess it's the first thing. Just kind of take this little bracket, put it in. I'm gonna tighten it up using the old screwdriver. Should be good. Let's see, now what does it want us to do? It wants us to take these apart. So when you get it, it comes assembled just like this with the drawers and everything. The only pieces that are separate is this and all this other stuff we're about to put in. So let's take this apart. So I guess the seat goes like this. Just like that. And we'll take our little screw buddies over here. Start it by hand. Let's get the other one. Go extra tight on these. Pretty decent. Guess I got this side over here. We need to take these out. Wrong way. That's not good. We got it. And I guess we're going to use these. This is to kind of hold our wrenches and thingamabobbers. So thinking about it, I'm probably going to put some Loctite on this. And the reason why is just moving it, these things a lot. In my experience, these type of things tend to come loose. So a little, whatever one I have over here, high strength, should kind of keep it from coming loose, especially like the seat and that little bar right over there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, put these in and tighten everything up. Just put Loctite on everything. I just find that like it's always annoying when you're using it and then something is loose and it just kind of makes it agitating because you have to stop what you're doing to tighten in it. You don't have to put Loctite on it, but why not? Alright, let's put these casters on. Wheels. So we got to turn this thing upside down. Well, it doesn't quite look like the pictures. Maybe because you just need Craftsman's tools for it. But for the most part, it gets the job done. I mean, I was able to fit my wrench over here, and that could just lay right there along with the drill. Limited room over here, just maybe smaller wrenches, a couple of vice grips and pliers and stuff like that, and just whatever doodads. But I mean, it's not a toolbox, but it's one of those things that is pretty convenient when you're doing like brake jobs or just working on your vehicle and you just need a place to store your tools. Personally, I like using my cart right over there, which is kind of tied up. But when I'm doing brake jobs, kind of like to just sit and not be on the floor. It's a little higher than I prefer, but I mean, it'll work. It'll definitely get the job done. I think that was the one thing I liked about the Harbor Freight one, is that it sat a little lower, but it is definitely cushy and feels a lot better. So, all right, pretty easy to put together. Oh, there's another storage drawer right there. Pretty cool. So, all right, just want to show putting that together, in my opinion on it. So, let's go try to fix something.